These better not be the wrong ones. Old one, new one. Now again, I'm inexperienced, but surely that ain't right. I'm 99% certain there weren't different sizes of these. So frustrating. That is really, really annoying. Right, they are the right ones. I just spoken to Paul Jeffries. He said they're a pain in the bum. So I've actually played about with that one. I actually stretched them a little bit. Don't know whether you're supposed to do that, but by doing that, yeah, makes it roughly the same size. So I don't know whether it's heat. A bit of stretching and heat just makes that settle with a bigger size, but yeah, so sorted. So let's do the other one. Again, inexperience. And what I don't want is it to leak. Now Paul said these were annoying. Going a bit peaked on this one. This ain't gonna beat me. Just don't seem to want to go in. This is the problem. Well, looks like that's done up. So, long-winded guide to how not to change a clutch, change an oil seal, put the clutch and flywheel back on, and take your time putting some chest plate covers and gaskets on. Next job, head off, pulley and water pump probably off, paint up the starter motor and dynamo, paint the head, paint the timing chain cover, and then that's it, I think, with that. Thank God. Right, so I'm just gonna clean this up, get that sprayed up, and probably take that off and spray that up. Then it can all go back together. Right, so I've ordered some bits in. I've sprayed the pulleys and cover. They were already pre-sprayed. I'm going to, just because the engine's out, I'm going to replace the water pump which I actually had a new one here anyway, so just belt and braces really.
Hey mini enthusiasts, how you doing? Welcome back. I apologise for gate crashing one of Mark's videos, but unfortunately this is quite a short one. So we get to this time of the year where the restoration work kind of goes on hold. So it's summer, we're out showing the cars and yeah, generally enjoying the fruits of our labour. So the Cooper S project, Mark is just about finished off the engine now, and we're waiting for the floor pan to come back from M Machine. That'll be a few more weeks yet, but it will probably be on hold until we get back into the winter before it comes to reassembling the shell and welding in the new floor pan. But I just wanted to let you know about some exciting projects that will come up very soon. So firstly, Project Kit. We are going to convert that car back to a manual, and it will be a fire-breathing 1380cc Swiftune engine that goes in the car, and it will be for sale. So Mark has decided to sell that car now. And also there is a secret project coming up that, well, I can't talk much about it, but it will be just simply amazing. I'm really looking forward to that, so make sure you stay tuned and catch up with you again soon.